Hey everybody, it's Pickle, and I make a fun little edible snack. It's going to be fried pickle cheese balls. For that, I'm going to need about 9 of those little gherkin pickles diced up, 6 ounces of cream cheese, about a teaspoon of chili flakes, a packet of ranch dressing, a cup of cheddar cheese, about 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs, a half a cup of flour, a teaspoon of garlic, salt, and pepper, and an unmeasured amount of water that we're going to be adding to make a slurry, but we'll show you that when we get there. And starting off will be simple. We're going to have that room temperature 6-ounce cream cheese. Add in the diced pickles. Put in the shredded cheddar cheese. And put in the ranch dressing packets. That is going to get mixed together till it is thoroughly combined. And once it's mixed together, I'll be setting that aside and we can work on our flour slurry. And before I forget, we will put in the chili flakes. Make sure. Now the flour mixture will be a almost pancake batter like consistency, a little watery. Take a good inch or so for each of our pickle balls. Dip them in here with a spoon or a fork. Once they're done with that, let them get covered in panko. And once we cover a lot of these, we'll go over and start frying them. Alright, the oil is hot, obviously. I'll start dropping these in to fry them. Start with 3 and see how it goes. Oil's a little too hot, but there, that's a little better. Sometimes new stoves take a little adjusting on the heat, but you get it right. Alright, fun time is here. Try them on out. What did we learn today, boys and girls? When you get a new stove, sometimes the oil doesn't heat like they did on the old one. Alright. Let's break one open. Ooey gooey. Just like we like it. And let's go. For me, they're a little too salty almost. But I have to factor in that I put in salt with the salt and pepper. And then the ranch seasoning had it. And the pickles had it. So it all adds up eventually. Honestly, they were pretty easy to make. They are fun, gooey, and warm on the inside. You can make them however big or small. Seeing I got sick of rolling out dough, I made them bigger as it went, but that's okay. They still worked out. This is a really fun little snack. I think you'd like it. If you like pickles, you definitely like this. But you know what to do. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, leave me a comment. Leave me a like about it.